Mumbai is a vibrant city located on the western coast of India along the shores of the Arabian Sea. This city of the state of Maharashtra is not just a metropolitan hub, it is also known as the financial capital of India. Mumbai is often called the City of Dreams. The gateway of India, the brightly lit roads of Marine Drive, and the modern skyscrapers touching the sky give Mumbai a unique character. Mumbai's culture is extremely diverse. People of different languages, religions, and beliefs live here together. Altogether, Mumbai is not just a city, it is a living emotion filled with stories of dreams, struggle, and success.